Hello everyone. In this video, we will get to know the login process of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra application. So to log in into the application, the user has to enter the registered mobile number in the username field and the password, and then click on login. If the user doesn't remember the username or password, then he can click on forget username and password. Upon clicking on forgot your password, the user has to enter the registered 10-digit mobile number in the username field and then click on reset password. Upon clicking on reset password, an SMS will be sent to the registered mobile number of the user, which will have the password, and with that password the user can log into the application. Once we log into the application, we are redirected to the dashboard of the application, wherein we can see the accumulative data of the user, that is total number of depositors registered under this user, total funds collected by this user, then total funds realized in banks by all the depositors under this user, total cash collected, total amount collected through check, and total amount collected through coupons. Apart from the accumulative data, we can also see the depositors data, that is the name of the depositors under this user, name of the prant of these depositors, the Jilla name, total funds collected by these depositors, total funds realized in bank by these depositors, and the difference, that is the balance amount which still has to be deposited in the bank. If we want to search the record of any particular depositor, then we can search for that depositor by their name in the search bar, and we can get the details of that particular depositor. We can also save this report in the Excel format in our device by clicking on this Excel. After the dashboard, we can also change password for ourselves by clicking on this change password. Herein we have to enter the new password which we want to set for ourselves, and then enter the password once again to confirm the password. One thing to notice that the criteria for setting the password is that it should be minimum 8 characters long. The password must contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. And after entering the passwords, we have to click on submit and our password will be reset. So this is all about the login procedure of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi application. Thank you.